So working with Google Drawings, you're going to be using a lot of images. And one way to use images is to use um, Google Images. So if I go out to Google and up here, click on Images, and I'm just going to search for baseball. And I come back with, millions of pictures of baseball that they find. And so what I can do is I can click on one of the pictures and I can see some of the information. Now, to get this onto my Google Drawings canvas, usually I have to visit the page, or I can isolate the image and then right click and either save the image to my computer or my desktop, or copy the image, or even copy the image address. But one thing I really like about Chrome is if I'm using this image, I can click and hold and drag up to the tab and see how I get a little fist with the green plus sign. And then I can come over here and drop it. And I've just copied that picture onto my canvas. Now, the other thing you need to look at is this example here. So the background of this picture is white, and it doesn't look very good when you've got a different color background like this. So what we want to do is use our search tools. And first of all, we want to change change the usage rights so that it's okay for us to reuse the image. I can search by sizes. I'm going to search by color, and I want it transparent because I want the backgrounds to be transparent backgrounds, which means that all I'll be able to see is the picture of the baseball and not the white around it. Notice that you can, under type, you can search for clip art, all those different types. You can also search by color and by keyword too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on one of these pictures, and this is a transparent picture image because you notice how the checkerboard in the background instead of the white color. So if I do the same thing, I'm going to click and hold and drag up to my tab and come over here and drop it. Let's try. Oh, it was loading. I was too fast. Let me try that again. Click and hold and drag. I dropped it right on the tab. One more time. Click and hold and come over here on the canvas and drop it on the canvas. All right, one more time. Click and hold, drag it up to the tab, drop it onto the canvas. It's creating the image. Depending on how large that image is, you might have to wait just a few seconds. And comes in, and we can resize this as it is pretty large. And now notice the difference between the two. The one with the transparent background looks a whole lot better on a different color background than the picture with the white background. So you want to make sure that you are searching for transparent images, and go ahead and make them so that they're labeled for reuse, so we can stay away from any copyright issues once we publish any of these Google Drawings.